Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today, we are bringing you the full detailed review of one of the most iconic supercars ever built, the Audi R8 V10. This machine represents pure performance, beautiful engineering, and the perfect balance between luxury and power. If you're a true car enthusiast, the Audi R8 V10 is a supercar that delivers excitement, control, and unmatched road presence every time you hit the accelerator. The design of the Audi R8 V10 is sharp, aggressive, and extremely aerodynamic. Its bold lines, low stance, and signature LED headlights make it stand out on any road. The side blades, which have become an iconic part of the R8's identity, give it a distinctive and sporty look. The rear design features a massive diffuser and dual exhausts that clearly show this car's performance DNA. The lightweight body structure, made of aluminum and carbon fiber, enhances stability, agility, and speed. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast, a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine delivering around 610 horsepower. This engine is known for its instant throttle response, raw power, and breathtaking sound. The Audi R8 V10 launches from 0 to 100 km per hour in about 3 seconds, proving its true supercar status. The naturally aspirated engine is rare in today's turbocharged world, and that makes the R8 even more special. Its high revving nature and explosive power delivery give the driver an unforgettable, adrenaline-filled experience. Another highlight of this car is the legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. Whether you're driving on a straight highway or attacking sharp corners, the R8 gives you incredible grip and confidence. The 7-speed dual-clutch S-tronic transmission shifts with lightning speed and provides seamless performance. With different drive modes like Comfort, Sport, and Dynamic, you can transform the car's behavior according to your mood and driving style. Inside, the Audi R8 V10 offers a driver-focused interior that combines luxury with a true racing feel. The virtual cockpit digital display provides all information with perfect clarity. Premium leather sport seats, high-quality materials, and Audi's exceptional craftsmanship make the cabin feel exclusive and refined. The minimalist center console design helps you stay focused on driving, while the steering wheel controls and paddle shifters add to the sporty experience. When it comes to handling, the R8 is incredibly balanced. The suspension system provides comfort for daily drives while offering stability for high-speed performance. Optional carbon ceramic brakes deliver strong stopping power even after repeated high-speed runs. Every corner, every straight, and every throttle push feels precise and controlled, thanks to Audi's advanced engineering. Technology features in the R8 include smartphone connectivity, a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, advanced navigation, and modern driver assistance systems. This makes the car not only thrilling to drive but also convenient and enjoyable for long journeys. Audi has successfully blended racing performance with everyday usability, making the R8 V10 one of the most versatile supercars on the market. If you want a supercar that combines beauty, power, reliability, and pure driving pleasure, the Audi R8 V10 is an absolute dream machine. It is built for those who appreciate engineering excellence and the emotional thrill of driving a naturally aspirated V10. Thank you for watching this detailed review of the Audi R8 V10. Make sure to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which car you want to see next on the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.